everyone, welcome to Storytime. I'm Anna and today I am going to read Is It a Mermaid by Candy Gourlay and Francesca Chessa, with lots and lots of thanks to Otterbury Books. One morning, Benji and Belle spotted something on the beach. What is it? Belle wondered. It? The something replied. I am not an it, I'm a she. I know what you are, Benji said. You're a dugong. Of course not, you silly little boy in a vest. Can't you see? The dugong said. I am a beautiful mermaid. See this? This is a mermaid's tail. No, Benji said, that's a dugong's tail. The dugong looked hurt. Then she brightened up. Listen to this. Whoa! Stop, stop, stop! Benji cried. What are you doing? Why, I'm singing, of course, the dugong said. Mermaids love to sing. Me too, Belle said. You can sing all you want, Benji said, but it's not going to change anything. You are a dugong. But the dugong was not listening. She was bouncing down the beach and Belle was bouncing after her. Boing, 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 boing. Watch, the dugong cried. Splash! Stop, Benji yelled. Stop, stop, stop. I was just trying to show you how mermaids adore swimming gracefully in the sea, the dugong said. Belle ran into the water. I wish I was a mermaid too, she said. Benji ran in after her. She's not a mermaid. She's a dugong. Look at those flippers. They're dugong flippers. Look at that snout. That's a dugong snout. Look at that body. That's a dugong body. And do you know what a dugong is? It's a sea cow. Oh no, Belle said. Oh, Benji. The dugong tried to hide her tears. But her flippers were too short. Benji felt terrible. I'm sorry, the dugong said, but we mermaids are a little bit sensitive. Me too, whispered Belle. Benji hung his head. It's me who should be sorry, he said. I hurt your feelings. The dugong smiled. It's okay, she said. We mermaids are very forgiving. Do mermaids like to play? Benji asked. Mermaids love to play, the dugong said. For the rest of the day, Benji and Belle played with the dugong. They sang and swam and had a lovely, lovely time. At sunset, the dugong said goodbye. I have to go, she said. Mermaids never stay out after dark. Goodbye, cried Benji and Belle. Will you come again? Of course I will, the dugong said. What a fantastic story. I love the pictures in that book. They're great, aren't they? See you soon.